Hello guys, Bitcoin is oversold and the charts are screaming buy now or regret later. But is Bitcoin about to bounce back or is gold still the king? Today I'll break down everything you need to know in just a few minutes. So stick around till the end. Let's start with the gold age question. Bitcoin versus gold. Some investors still hugging gold like it's their childhood blanket. But did you know Bitcoin is outperforming gold by over 400% in the last 5 years? And here's the kicker, often seems seasonal rebounds. Gold may be shiny, but Bitcoin can be shinier and way less heavy to carry around. Now let's talk money moving. Bitcoin ETFs have seen inflows over 700 million this month alone. Think of it like a massive crowd pushing into a concert you don't want to be outside waiting for tickets. These inflows are a bullish sign. It shows big players are betting on Bitcoin. And historically, massive ETF inflows often precede price jumps. Interesting, right? But okay, here's where it gets exciting. Technical indicators like RSI, MACD, and volume patterns are flashing green for a potential reversal in March. In simpler terms, Bitcoin might be ready to climb after being oversold for weeks. Oversold means the price dropped too fast and buyers are waiting to step in, possibly you step in. Imagine showing up at a sale where everything is 50% off, and in my opinion that's Bitcoin right now. Now for my fellow beginners, don't panic or FOMO. You don't need to go all in. Start small, set your targets, and remember, crypto can be like a roller coaster. Hold tight and enjoy the ride. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, share this video with a friend who's still waiting on the sidelines. They'll thank you later. I would appreciate it a lot. And hopefully see you in the next video.